Okay, last question. So a couple of little definitions as we go through here. Suppose for the graph of capital G, that at every point dy by dx is equal to e to the minus x. Find the equation of a graph parallel to G that passes through the origin. And when we say passes through the origin, means it passes through the point 0, 0. What do we mean when we say our graph is parallel to another graph? It means that they always have the same slope. So same shape, but they may differ by a constant. So here is the derivative of this graph. The slope of this graph, if you will, is always e to the minus x. So if this graph always has the slope e to the minus x, what is the equation? That is saying this. So dy by dx is equal to e to the minus x, or dy is equal to e to the minus x dx. Integrate both sides. The integral of the derivative, just what you started with, they're inverse operations of each other. What's the antiderivative of e to the minus x? E to the minus x times -1 plus a constant. Check. If I take the derivative of e to the minus x plus c, I get e to the minus x times -1 times -1 gives me that positive, of course, the derivative of a constant, 0. How do we find the constant? Well, we're going to substitute in this equation. That is, 0 is equal to minus e to the minus 0 plus c. So e to the 0 is 1, so we get -1 plus c, which tells us that c is equal to 1. So an equation for this graph that is parallel to this graph, that is, the derivative of it will always give you this, and the graph we're looking for goes through the origin, so here's our graph. It is y equals minus e to the minus x plus 1. So your homework, we will do it in class. It's on the worksheet following. So this one right here. And see you in class on Monday with all your notes filled out.